So here we have a lot of dishes to do today. So I'm gonna use my dishwasher. For detergent, I usually just go to Costco and buy one of these, dishwasher packs. Now it's pretty cheap. Like I think $6 or $7, and you can have 115 packs. Now to use a dishwasher, obviously you need to rack the dishes just like so. You put them back in. Same thing here. And here you have two compartments. This one's for pre-wash, and it doesn't even come with a cap. So here it says no pre-wash is needed. So we don't need to put anything in here. So the pack will go into this compartment for main wash. So this wrap is gonna melt away. In water, so do it this way. I don't think we need this, but if you want, there's some pre-wash liquid you can put here, and as you see, it's gonna go in directly, and I believe this dishwasher is going to soak the dishes for like 15 to 20 minutes or something like that. So if you add any pre-wash liquid here, so the soaking will be like with the liquid that you put in. That's about it. And if you don't put anything into the pre-wash compartment, then the main wash, the main cycle will be done without any detergent. So I don't think we want that. Now the next step is to close this. And now the control board, what we have here is quick rinse. We don't want to do that. I think for today, it's going to be normal wash. And we want water heat, which means the water is going to be heated. And we don't want this because we want the dishes to be dried after they're washed. And we don't want to delay the start. We want to start now. So I'll just hit this. So you see, it's working already. And after about 2 hours, the dishes will be done. Our dishwasher is made by Kenmore. It's a brand, I believe, previously or still owned by Sears. I don't know how old the dishwasher is, but I bet it's pretty old. It's probably like 20 years old. I'm not sure. I wish I could buy one at some point, but it's still working, so I'll keep it. Thank you.